Respected presenters, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. The subject of my presentation is cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation and currency instability, a global perspective. In terms of raw transaction volume, North America leads to the global cryptocurrency market, contributing 24.4% of global activity between July 2022 and June 2023. Following North America are Central and Southern Asia and Oceania, which account for 19.3%, and Central, Northern, and Western Europe with 17.6%. On the other end of the spectrum, Sub-Saharan Africa has the smallest cryptocurrency economy, making up just 2.3% of the global transaction volume during the same period. The United States ranks first globally in raw cryptocurrency transaction volume, accounting for 24.4% of global activity between July 2022 and June 2023. Following the US are India, the UK, and Turkey, which also play significant roles in the global crypto market. Other countries in the top 10 include Russia, Canada, Vietnam, Thailand, and Germany, further highlighting the widespread adoption and activity across diverse regions. However, the rankings shift when adjusting for purchasing power and population size. India ranks first globally in the Global Crypto Adoption Index for grassroots cryptocurrency usage, leading the world in grassroots crypto adoption. Following India are Nigeria and Vietnam, making them the second and third ranked countries respectively. The top 10 countries also include the United States, Ukraine, the Philippines, Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, and Thailand. Notably, the Central and Southern Asia and Oceania region dominates the index, with 6 of the top 10 countries located in this area, which are India, Vietnam, the Philippines, Indonesia, Pakistan, and Thailand. Many of these leading countries belong to the lower middle income category as defined by the World Bank income classification, underscoring the significant role of crypto adoption in emerging markets. Cryptocurrencies are adopted for different reasons, depending on the economic context. In more economically stable countries, people tend to use cryptocurrencies primarily for investment and wealth building purposes. However, in countries facing currency instability or high inflation, cryptocurrencies are often seen as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. The need to protect savings and preserve wealth in the face of economic uncertainty drives many individuals in these regions to turn to cryptocurrencies as a financial safeguard. A review of the literature shows that in several countries, cryptocurrencies have been widely adopted as a hedge against inflation and cryptocurrency instability. Three Latin American countries rank in the top 20 of the Global Crypto Adoption Index: Brazil, Argentina, and Mexico. In many parts of the region, especially in countries grappling with significant currency devaluation, cryptocurrency has become an integral part of daily life. Argentina and Venezuela, in particular, have been widespread crypto adoption as a means to safeguard wealth and navigate the challenges of economic instability. Argentina leads Latin America in raw cryptocurrency transaction volume, receiving an estimated $85.4 billion, and ranks second in the region for grassroots crypto adoption. Argentina has faced decades of economic turmoil, with cycles of extreme currency devaluation that have severely impacted residents' ability to save and complicated day-to-day financial activities. In the year leading up to July 2023, the Argentinian peso lost approximately 51.6% of its value. The primary driver of Argentina's strong crypto adoption is the need to escape the peso's devaluation. High inflation, combined with government restrictions on purchasing foreign currencies, has made cryptocurrencies an attractive option for saving and preserving wealth. Stable coins, in particular, have become a popular solution, offering Argentinians a way to meet their long-standing demand for the US dollar and protect their assets from the volatility of the national currency. Similar to Argentina, Venezuela has faced persistent economic hardship, including extreme currency devaluation. The Venezuelan bolivar has experienced one of the worst cases of hyperinflation in history, with rates exceeding 1,000,000%. In response, many Venezuelans have turned to cryptocurrency as a lifeline to protect their savings. Stable coins, in particular, have been instrumental in helping citizens maintain their wealth amidst the collapse of the bolivar, offering a more stable alternative in an otherwise volatile financial landscape. Cryptocurrency has thus become a crucial tool for navigating Venezuela's economic crisis. Pakistan ranks sixth on the Global Crypto Adoption Index, despite the fact that cryptocurrency trading is currently banned by law. The driving force behind this high adoption is the need for wealth preservation in the face of rising inflation and currency devaluation. In recent years, Pakistan has faced soaring inflation rates and a significant drop in the value of the rupee, rapidly eroding savings. In this challenging economic climate, traditional investment options for ordinary citizens are limited. The stock market has declined, and Pakistanis are banned from holding physical foreign currency, which must instead be deposited in banks. For many, this leaves cryptocurrency, especially stable coins like USDT, as a vital tool for hedging against economic instability. Stable coins have become a crucial means for individuals to protect their savings and import goods from abroad, providing a financial safety net in the absence of better investment alternatives. In Pakistan's current economic environment, stable coins have emerged as a necessity for preserving wealth and shielding against inflation and currency devaluation. Turkey ranks fourth globally in raw cryptocurrency transaction volume, with approximately $170 billion in transactions between July 2022 and June 2023. However, when it comes to grassroots cryptocurrency adoption, Turkey holds the 12th spot on the Global Crypto Adoption Index. This marks a significant rise from its previous ranking of 26th between July 2019 and June 2022, highlighting the country's growing engagement with everyday crypto usage at the individual level. Turkey's relatively high level of crypto adoption can be attributed to its recent macroeconomic conditions and strong interest in innovation and technology among its young population. The central bank's decision to cut interest rates despite rising inflation has driven many Turks to the cryptocurrencies as a way to preserve value, diversify their investment portfolios, and explore new asset classes. Traditionally, Turkish citizens have turned to stable assets like gold and real estate to protect their wealth. Now, cryptocurrency has emerged as the next alternative investment, offering a new avenue for financial stability amidst economic uncertainty. While sub-Saharan Africa has consistently been one of the smallest cryptocurrency markets by volume, crypto has nonetheless gained significant traction among key populations, becoming an integral part of everyday life for many. The region's ongoing struggles with rising inflation and mounting debt have made cryptocurrency a valuable tool for storing wealth, safeguarding savings, and achieving greater financial independence. Nigeria, in particular, stands out, ranking second globally on the Global Crypto Adoption Index. Other notable countries in the region include Kenya, Ghana, and South Africa, where cryptocurrency adoption continues to grow as a hedge against economic instability and a means to access broader financial opportunities. Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a key alternative for addressing Nigeria's economic challenges. Since 2016, the country has experienced two major recessions driven by political instability, the COVID-19 pandemic, and collapse of global oil prices. At the start of 2023, inflation soared to a record high of over 20%, further straining the nation's economy. In this uncertain climate, a growing number of Nigerians have turned to cryptocurrencies as a viable financial alternative, seeking to protect their savings, hedge against inflation, and access new investment opportunities. This has significantly increased the appeal of cryptocurrency as a solution to Nigeria's ongoing economic struggles. In Ghana, inflation surged to 29.8% in June 2022, following 13 consecutive months of rising prices. Faced with limited financial opportunities, many Ghanaians have turned to Bitcoin as a potential solution. Similarly, Kenya and South Africa have grappled with comparable economic challenges in recent years, leading to a significant increase in grassroots cryptocurrency adoption across these countries. This shift reflects a broader trend in the region, where individuals are increasingly seeking alternative financial avenues to navigate economic uncertainty. Thank you very much for your kind listening.